Welcome to Resto Posh. Start by clicking on the Settings tab on the left sidebar. You can see many options on the upper side of the screen. Select Restaurant Information. Enter your restaurant name, phone number with country code, your email address, and the full restaurant address. And click Save button. To add an additional charge, click on Add Charge. You can also manage your tax settings here. Just click the plus, Jod icon to add new tax details if needed. Click on App Settings to configure how the app behaves for users. Select your restaurant's operating country from the drop-down menu. Choose the correct time zone to ensure accurate order timings and reports. Pick the currency used for billing and receipts. In this case, we'll choose Rupee INR. You can also choose to hide dashboard widgets like today's orders, reservations, or waiter requests using these checkboxes. Open Branch Settings to manage details for each restaurant location. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing branches. To add a new location, just click on the Add Branch button and enter your branch name and address. To make changes to a branch, click the Update button on the right. Select Currencies to add or update the currencies you accept. Click Add Currency to enter a new currency, its symbol, and formatting style. You can also update or delete currencies as needed. Just a click away. Important, you cannot delete the default currency. Go to Email Settings to manage outgoing email templates and server settings. Turn this on to alert the admin whenever a new order is placed. Enable this so your customers get instant confirmation after booking. Notify the admin when a customer makes a reservation. Automatically send bills to customers via email after each order. Click Taxes to set up applicable tax rates. Click on Add Tax to create your tax rule. Enter the tax name, like GST or service tax, and the percentage to apply. Save it and you're done. Taxes will now be automatically applied to every order created. You can update it using the option below. Open Payment Gateways to configure online payment options. You'll see a prompt to upgrade your plan in order to enable payment gateway integration. Click on Upgrade Plan to access secure payment options like Stripe and Razorpay. Go to Theme Settings to customize the look and feel of your customer site or app. Upload your restaurant's logo right here. You can also display your restaurant's name next to the logo. Upload favicons for different devices like Android, iOS, and browser tabs. Choose a color theme that suits your brand style, from bold to soft tones. Click Staff Roles to assign roles and permissions to your employees. To grant permission for a specific task to a role, just click the plus icon, Jod. For example, clicking here allows the waiter to view the menu. Similarly, to revoke access, click the minus icon. The permission will be instantly removed. Open Billing to view or manage your subscription and invoices. Here you'll see your current plan, in this case, a trial package, expiring on the 15th of December 2025. Now select the Reservation Settings tab at the top. Choose the day you want to configure. You'll see predefined slots like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can adjust the start time, end time, and the time slot difference for each. Simply click inside each field to update the timings. Click About Us to update your restaurant's description and background. Here, you can write or modify the message that your customers will see on your public site. Open Customer Site to make changes to your public-facing website. Under Order Settings, you can enable or disable options like allowing customers to place dine-in or takeaway orders, and even allow tipping during checkout. In the Call Waiter settings, you can allow customers to request service directly using a QR code placed on their table. You can also manage dine-in orders. Enabling PWA allows customers to install your site as a mobile app. Next, add your social media links so your customers can follow and connect with you. Once you've reviewed all your settings, click the Save button to apply changes instantly. Click Receipt Settings to customize how receipts appear. Under Customer Information, you can choose whether or not to display the customer's name and address on the receipt. Simply check or uncheck the boxes. In the Restaurant Information section, you can view order details and payment details. You can upload your own payment QR code here and choose whether to display it on the receipt. You can also enable full payment details to be shown to the customer. Once satisfied, click Save to apply your receipt layout settings. Click Delivery Settings to configure delivery zones, charges, and conditions. Here set the maximum delivery radius in kilometers and enter the fixed fee amount. Next, configure free delivery options. You can offer free delivery for orders above a specific amount or within a specific distance radius. To help estimate delivery times, enter the average speed of your delivery rider in kilometers. Open Quote Settings to customize kitchen order tickets, quotes. Next, choose the default quote status. Pending means the quote is created but not yet processed. Cooking means the kitchen team has started preparing the order. And that's it. Your Resto 4 settings are now configured and ready to go.